All right, now we're doing 8Q pole vault starting marks. This is by Hare West. 61% of the people like it. This is a lot, and I don't think people like me reading. I don't think you guys like me reading to you. So basically, we're trying to find the starting mark that pole vaulters need to go to based on their height. Okay, and here's their height, and the starting mark will be this. So basically, we're just doing we're going to do some slope-intercept form so that we can find the y to the x, which is body height, okay? Let me show you what I'm talking about. So first things first, we're going to talk about how to do that stuff, because I haven't been into algebra in years and years. And this is for anybody that's in the same boat as me. So right here, we need to know a couple things, like the formula for the slope-intercept form. So we're looking for y, so we need to have mx plus b to find that. So let's just write that down here. Y equals, mx plus b. And we're going to need to find this b because we don't have it. So also b equals y minus mx. Because we're going to take this, we're going to subtract mx from both sides to leave the b alone. Awesome. Also, we need to know the slope. And so slope formula, m equals, what is it? What was it? Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1. All right? That's the slope according to this right here. Check it out. So now we can find anything along that line. All right? So that being stated, we're going to start by having an embedded function right here. And so we're going to have the embedded function of m, all right? And m, first we need to find out what m is. So down here, in another set of parentheses, we're going to say y2 minus y1, so 10.67. Let me do this. 10.67 minus 9.45 divided by 1.83 minus 1.52. All right, cool. So now we've got the slope, and so now we're going to do mx plus b. So m times x. X is going to be body height. Now mx plus b. So plus b, which equals y minus mx. So y is 9.45 minus m times x, which would be 1.52. Okay, since we're using this x and y for to find the y-intercept. Okay, that's what b is, the y-intercept, where the line crosses at 0. Anyway, so now we've got all that, and that will come up with the answer. But now we've got to format the answer into 2 decimal places. So to do that, we're going to wrap this whole thing up right here in parentheses. And we're going to say, we're going to use this toFixed method, which formats a number using the fixed point notation. This one's doing it to 2, so it takes all these and just formats it to 2. Just rounds it to, just rounds the number, all right? And important thing, the return value is a string representing the given number. So it's a string. Just got to remember it's a string. So let me do that real quick. Let me put toFixed 2, but right now, if I test it, it's going to come out as a string, as you see here, but we needed numbers. So that's why we use the unary plus, which the unary plus operator precedes its operand and evaluates to its operand, but attempts to convert it to a number if it isn't already. So converting it into a number is the main thing we're using it for. So we come over here, push plus, let's test it out. Great. Attempt it. Awesome. Submit it. Very much like this one, I'm going to go to My Solutions. Just me. Best practice in my opinion. And we'll see you next time.